Can we delete a poll on Facebook Messenger? Hello, everybody. If you want to do that, you may follow the steps. So let's find out. For that, head over to Facebook application first. And then once you head over to Facebook application, you need to head over the conversation or group chat in which the poll is located. So in order to delete the poll, when you head over the poll and long press on the poll, we do not get any kind of options. Similarly, if you tap on view poll from your screen, you again do not get any kind of options. So if you're wanting to delete that poll on Facebook Messenger, the most reliable method is to delete the entire conversation containing the poll because there's no direct option to delete just the poll. So in order to delete the whole chat, what you can do is you can hit back from your chat and go to the main chat page with all of your chats located and long press on the chat in which your poll is located. After that, you can tap on delete option from your screen like in the delete option and it will remove the chat along with all other messages in the chat. Like it will delete the poll along with all of the other messages. So that is only the method. Otherwise, alternatively, you can try hiding the poll by sending a lot of other messages. So you can just go ahead and send other messages till this poll from your chat is hidden. So you can just go ahead and do that for now. You can just go ahead and look out for that. Otherwise, if you are the admin of that particular group, you can tap on the three options. If maybe if that works or doesn't work, but you can just go ahead and try looking out for the remove post option and delete the poll on Facebook Messenger. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you in another video.